Good morning, buddy. Hi. Not sleepy yet. Did you have good dreams? Ready to get up? Get some food in that belly. You're in your happy tail. You ready? No, I love you so much. Okay, let me get your food. Happy Monday, buddy. The sun coming up. Nice good stretch there. I saw that. Yeah, just gotta get ready to go to work. Start a new day, a new week. Okay. Hi. Grab your cup. Nice good yawn there. Yes, good morning. Look at the happy boy. Okay, get your food. There you go. Here's that. You got your broth here. Alright, there you go, buddy. You enjoy, man. Happy boy. I love you.